Hello, and welcome to another tutorial made simple and easy for you. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from an image in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image you want to work with in Photoshop. Make sure the image is not locked, and it's not the background layer. If it is locked, you'll see a padlock icon next to it. Just unlock it if needed. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll find the Selection tool, also known as the Magic Wand tool. You can press W on your keyboard to select it automatically. Click and hold the left mouse button on this tool, and then select Object Selection. This will create a square selection box. Drag this box around the object you want to keep in your image. Ensure that the crosshair is fully inside the object. Release the mouse button. Photoshop will try to detect the object. If it doesn't do a good job, you can click Select Subject to improve the selection. Next, click on Refine Edge. This will allow you to fine-tune your selection. You can add or remove parts of the image. For instance, if there's unwanted background around your object, zoom in using your mouse wheel. Select Background as the color, adjust the brush size, and paint over the areas you want to remove. You can also use Foreground to add parts back if needed. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click OK in the top right corner. Now you have a transparent image that you can move around and work with in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like. Thanks for watching.